Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're starting inside the page you created. Log in and open Pages now. Once on the page, click Settings or Page Settings to access management tools. You need admin rights. If you aren't an admin, request transfer and wait for confirmation. Make sure there are no active subscriptions, ad credits, or unresolved roles that block deletion. Once done, scroll to the bottom of Settings where you'll find Page Removal options. This is the first actionable step toward deleting your page permanently. Now you'll confirm the deletion choice and prepare for data loss. Click Remove Page or Delete Page in General Settings, and Facebook will show what's lost, posts, photos, messages, insights, and ad history. If you want records, choose Download Page or Export Data first. Follow prompts to request the file and wait for the archive link. You should also cancel any active ad accounts or scheduled posts to avoid charges. Once exported and verified, proceed to confirm deletion. To finish by confirming the delete action, you'll often get a short recovery window, usually 14 days, during which you can restore the page if you change your mind. After that period, the page is permanently removed. If the deletion fails, make sure you're still an admin, clear any outstanding ad payments, and disconnect the page from Business Manager or third-party apps. If problems persist, use the support menu to report the issue and include screenshots. That speeds troubleshooting and resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.